you're very sad, aren't you? You lost your baby, isn't it? They gave your baby away, didn't they? Hmm? Yeah. And there's Big Bird up here. Oh, Big Bird. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Oh, you're always so very sad, are you? Hmm? Yeah. You're alright. Hmm? Eating bread. Oh, what you're doing there, kitty cat? What you doing? Hmm? What you looking for? Huh?
Soon you'd have a fleet of boats that'd be rich like me. The fisherman asked, then what would I do? You could sit down and enjoy life, said the industrialist. What do you think I'm doing now? The fisherman replied as he looked placidly out to sea. You know, contentment is the key to life. And those words from the Apostle Paul, godliness with contentment is great gain. It is.
Hindi pa pala naibili ng kulay pulang mga square, yung square. Hindi pa pala siya nabili doon.
Ski. Diretso na agad dun. Hey, Ski! Hey, sa Hungry Bird.
Mahaba yung ano niya. Ito ba yung mahabang bit dyan?
Dami silang mga.
Adi? Ayan. Ang dami nila, oh. Talaga binutur. Sorry. Ayan.
Ito yung may mata niya. Ano yung buhok?
Ninaaway. Alam ko pala ng tubig. Pinasa ng tubig nila, no?
Oh, look at that. Is it a pigeon? No, it's a raven. Big raven. Oh. Krok, krok, krok. Hey. Krok, krok, krok. Krok.